Welcome to Cape Town, South Africa, where stunning landscapes, rich history, and mouth-watering cuisine await. Join us as we explore the vibrant city and discover its iconic attractions and delectable foods. Please like, subscribe, share my channel. Table Mountain. Our journey begins with Table Mountain, a majestic natural wonder that offers sweeping views of the city and the ocean. Robben Island. Next, we venture to Robben Island. Historic site where Nelson Mandela was imprisoned, now a museum offering tours about South Africa's apartheid history. Victoria and Alfred, V&A Waterfront. We immerse ourselves in the vibrant atmosphere of the Victoria and Alfred Waterfront, bustling with shops, markets, and lively entertainment along the scenic harbor. Historic site where Nelson Mandela was imprisoned, now a museum offering tours about South Africa's apartheid history. Cape of Good Hope. Nature reserve featuring stunning coastal scenery, hiking trails, and a chance to see wildlife like ostriches and baboons. Kirstenbosch National Botanical Garden. Finally, we wander through the serene Kirstenbosch National Botanical Garden, marveling at the indigenous flora against the backdrop of Table Mountain, a true botanical paradise. Lion's Head. Lion's Head in Cape Town is a peak situated at 669 meters above sea level. The hike up Lion's Head takes approximately 90 minutes at a moderate pace. Two Oceans Aquarium. The Two Oceans Aquarium is a window into the spectacular oceans surrounding the southern African coast. Through displays ranging from the small and almost fantastical Knysna seahorses, to sea turtles and shoals of shimmering fish, the aquarium holds wondrous discoveries around every corner. Bo-Kaap. The Bo-Kaap is an area of Cape Town, South Africa formerly known as the Malay Quarter. It is a former racially segregated area, situated on the slopes of Signal Hill above the city center and is a historical center of Cape Malay culture in Cape Town. District 6 Museum. The apartheid nationalist government destroyed District 6 in the 1960s. This memorial museum contains maps, photographs and other reminders of this old vibrant neighborhood. Hout Bay. Enclosed by ocean, mountains and wine farms, the former fishing village offers a country affair with some adventure thrown in. Muizenberg Beach. Though the beach is still popular, the elegant splendor that once graced this seaside resort community barely shows through the paved-over streets, fast food eateries and shopping centers. Please like, subscribe, share my channel. Famous foods in Cape Town, South Africa. Biltong dried and cured meat, often made from beef or game meats, seasoned with spices like coriander and pepper. Bobotie, a flavorful dish made with spiced minced meat, usually beef or lamb, topped with an egg custard and served with rice. Cape Malay curry, a fragrant and spicy curry influenced by the Cape Malay community, typically served with rice or roti. Gatsby sandwich, a massive and filling sandwich made with various fillings like steak, fries, and spicy sauces, often shared among friends. Malva pudding, a sweet and sticky sponge cake served with a warm custard or ice cream, a popular dessert choice. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey.